We're just coming from fish hunting. So it's a brilliant experience. Lovely at night. Traditional fish hunting with kusa. We have these kusas here, spears, pin spears, 12 of them. And we're done with babies. We've got babies. So I actually went off the boat, one of the banks. Babies in there, red babies, and you got pigs. His parent. Yeah. I got his parent, one of his parents. There we go. Now we're crossing the bridge, and we have to bend down, otherwise we'll hit our head. Yeah, the water rised, so we have to cross it slowly, bending our head down. There we go. I'm crossed. And there the driver. Let go. There's another one hunting. Hello, what is it?
Hey, I say.
Tara kita বুঝি না আমরা এই যে
আমরা তো খালি একটা দিন গেলাম
এই একটা দিন খালি কি আমরা দুই প্লেট বড়িয়া হয়ে যায় একটা দিন তো খালি
সোনা দিয়ে এক তরকারি আইছে এই তো আর এই যে রোল চিংড়ি একবারে শুকনো না
বাস